Hello everybody, and in this video I'm going to answer a simple question a lot of you people have been asking. Is e-discount perfume legit or should you stay away? So let's break it down. So first of all, let's go ahead and simply tap on the refund and returns. E-discount perfumes offer 30 days refund policy. So if you are a first-time buyer and not happy with your fragrance, you can return it within 30 days of delivery and get a full refund. That's already a good sign. So now let's talk about real customer experiences. Over on Reddit, in the fragrance subreddit, I have found multiple posts asking if the site is trustworthy. And here's what the actual users said. They say it's absolutely legit. They have ordered from them and found no issues, fast shipping, great customer service, and would buy again. Even recent comments as of last year confirm they are still reliable. Also on Trustpilot, e-discount perfume holds a 94% of positive rating, with most users praising their fast delivery and product authenticity. Sure, there are some negative reviews, mostly from the people who believe their perfume might be fake, but with return policies in place, it's not a major red flag. So, is e-discount perfume legit? Yes, it's a legit site and with authentic products, solid reviews, and even good return policies. If you are looking for affordable fragrance, it's definitely worth checking out. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to like, drop a comment, and subscribe for more.